Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your market update. Okay, what a fantastic few trading days we have seen in the global markets. It's pretty much a smash and grab sort of market. I managed to grab £5,666 and 60 pence these last few trading days with this red pro trend system short on the Dow Jones daily chart. So we've been green for several days, in fact for several weeks here. We've gone up and had a green bias to the market, but we were on that lookout, weren't we? We were looking out for that rotation into a red candlestick. Now that red candlestick is a sell signal. As soon as I get the red candlestick, I'm selling, I'm shorting. So we got a big down day yesterday. Now I was expecting a bit of a snapback rally, so I banked most of these profits here. I've still got about £2,000 profit running on this trade. Now I still think with the signals we're getting here on the system and the trend predictor, which is the arrows here, it's still looking likely we're going to see 31,196 on the Dow and then 33,358. Okay, so if you take a look at this arrow that we've got right here setting up today, being Tuesday lunchtime, it's telling us that tomorrow could be a down day. Now I think we could certainly see it closing around these areas, but I'm looking for another rotation. Until it turns green, I'm bearish on this market. Now we can go up to the bigger time frame because this really does give you the framework of where these trends are going. If you take a look at the weekly chart here on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you can see we've got a major decline in momentum at these highs. We've got a red pro trend system, and I'm looking for further downside in the Dow Jones, guys. Okay, now it's really easy to trade with the colors, with the system here, the pro trend system. All we've got to do, if we start to see green buy signals with our candlesticks, then we'll be looking for long trades. While it's red arrow, red pro trend system, red momentum trigger, it's still in bearish territory. Okay, so cracking move yesterday, banked some profits, been a bit cautious. Gold, what a move we've had in gold. People are scratching their heads wondering which way gold's going. It's easy for us here at Trading College. We've got a lovely green pro trend system. I was mentioning this. We had white candlesticks. White means sideways choppy markets. Then we've got a green candlestick, which means buy. Once we see that green candlestick, we buy it on the close. First target 18.34, or we can move our stop to break even. Final target was here at 18.60. Okay, so we're up at a double top area of resistance. We're seeing a bit of a pullback. That's fine. Okay, we're still green, and we're going to stay long until it turns red. Just like crude oil here. Look, it's been green all the way up until we get a red candlestick. It's still bullish. Yes, it is losing momentum at the highs. We are starting to see these peaks sort of go lower as price goes higher. But we could have said that around here. We could have said that around here. But it's still staying green on our pro trend system. Now, it is a good place to take some profits. Bank some profits on oil here. It's been a great move since 72.50 zone. Stop at 70.32. It's been bullish all the way up. That's a lovely 1,000-point move trade. Now, the next big trade I'm looking for here on our pro trend system is the euro versus the US dollar. I think the euro dollar has finished a 5-wave decline here. We've got a green pro trend system. I think we're going to go A, B, C, or a 1, 2, 3 up to 120. In fact, there it is, 120.006. Okay, I'm looking for a move in oil, in the euro dollar. This is a bit of a sort of head and shoulders bottom we've got going on here as well. You can see there's a left shoulder. Here's a sort of head, if I can draw it correctly for you. And we're sort of seeing this right shoulder kicking in now. So I'm looking for euro versus the US dollar for a significant move. If we turn red on the pro trend system on the weekly chart, then maybe further downside. But while we're green, I'm looking for big profits in the euro dollar, starting maybe today, maybe over these next several days as we go into the end of the week, looking for some bullish price action. If we look at the 1 hour chart, we've certainly seen a nice move up today with our trend predictor, push this market higher. I'm looking to now start accumulating a position in euro with this 1 hour time frame, looking for that weekly to confirm that green pro trend system, keeping it really simple and looking for this big move higher if this comes. Okay, stop placement's going to be this 113.08, but this is a 1 hour chart. Remember, I'm looking for several weeks of strength in the euro dollar. I'm looking to see now if this market can really make its move. Guys, if you're interested in trading alongside us, we have our Pro Trader program. We're catching some beautiful moves in these markets. Please fill out the callback request, speak to Chris, see what he can do for you on the program. Have a great rest of the trading week and look out, be safe. These markets are very volatile. You need the Pro Trend system to be on the right side. Speak to you soon. Take care.